Example A. Page 126, number 4, the figure shows two semicircles and a quarter of a circle. Find the area of the shaded region. So I'm going to start these two semicircles. I'm going to take two of them, and if you notice, if we put them together, so when I put those two semicircles together, I actually have a full circle. To find the area of this full circle, I'm going to just use the area formula for a circle. I'm going to use area equals pi times radius squared. Now, the diameter is 10, so we want to actually take the diameter and divide it by 2 to get the radius. So the radius would be half of 10. Half of 10 is 5. 10 divided by 5, 2 is 5. So radius is 5. Plug in 5 for the radius. A equals pi times 5 squared. 5 times 5 is 25, so the area is 25 pi. I'm going to leave this in exact form for now. All right, and I'm going to slide this over to here. So I found the area of those two semicircles. Now I'm going to go over to this piece right here. This is a quarter circle. Now the quarter circle, I'm going to just put this label of 10 right here on this diagram, and watch what happens if I take this quarter circle. It is 1/4 of a full circle. So what I'm going to do when I find the area of a full circle is I'm going to divide by 4 because it's a quarter of a circle. It's a quarter of a circle. So I'll start with that area formula for a circle. Area equals pi times radius squared. Here the radius, if you notice, is just the 10. So area equals pi times 10 squared. 10 times 10 is 100, so this is area equals 100 pi. But again, since we had said this is a quarter of a circle up here, we need to divide by 4. I'm going to divide this by 4. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So the area of this piece is 25 pi. So after I found the area of both of these pieces, you're going to add them together. I'm going to move this down to the bottom now. So I'm going to add together, so add together the area of each of those pieces. So you have 25 pi plus 25 pi. 25 plus 25 is 50, so this is 50 pi. So that's your answer in terms of pi, the exact answer. Now if you wanted to go further and change this to the decimal approximation, I would take my calculator tool and I would do 50 times pi. And if I do that, I get approximately 157.1. So this would be the decimal approximation. Okay, this is the exact with pi in your answer, decimal approximation. So again, what I did for this example, I took my two semicircles, I put them together to make a full circle. So I found the area of a full circle. I used half of 10 to get the radius. So I used 5 for the radius here, so 25 pi. And then for this piece, that's a quarter of a circle. So let me show you the work down here again. So for a quarter of a circle, I divided by 4. I found the area of the full circle using the 10 as the radius, and then I divided by 4. 100 divided by 4 give me 25 pi. And then in the end, again, you add together the two different areas.